Alright, so I didn't bring my GoPro with me, but I found another one of these units running in cool mode. GE motors. You know, the scrolls sound a little bit different over here. Oh, this one's in heat mode actually. It's that cool out here. We just had a sur, which is basically like a cold front here in Santa Cruz. But yeah, this is one's running in heat mode. First, well, I'm still gonna label it cooling season because it's still cooling season in Virginia. But yeah, this thing is running in heat mode. This was running in cool mode like a few days ago. This one is a 5-ton from I think 2009. I'm just gonna say 2009. But yeah, got this one. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.